for I Love Toy Trains number 2.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. I Love Toy Trains is one of the most popular children's video series in the country. For more information and for a free catalog, call 1-800-892-2822.
I love to hear that sound of that tickety-tack as they travel along down the railroad track with the little boxcars being pulled and back and that little puff of smoke coming out the stack. I love toy trains. I love toy trains. I love the way they look and the way they sound, stopping at the stations in every town. I love the way they travel all around and round. That's the reason I love toy trains. I love to hear the sound of that clickety-clack as they travel along down the railroad track with the little boxcars being pulled and back. That's the reason I love toy trains.
Part 4 stars the Dino Express. Lots of great fun with dinosaurs and toy trains.
Welcome to Weird VHS Endings number 2. Today we have I Love Toy Trains Part 2, 1997 reprint. It's at the end of the tape. So, yeah, let's see what it's all about. Yep, for a split second, just a color bar screen of death. Just for a split second. No sound, nothing. Just a color bar screen of death. And I actually haven't seen the end of the tape yet, but it just ends. So yeah, that's the end of Weird VHS Endings number 2. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.